Okay, let's look at some of the career opportunities. Someone who has studied physics, what is it that they can do in this dynamically changing world? First of all, the world is changing. There is so much technology, there is so much artificial intelligence. So these are some of the traditional and the modern career opportunities someone who has done or offered physics is likely to do. First, he can go into the education field, as a teacher, possibly teaching physics. Just like me, I'm a teacher. This person can go into the engineering field, where we have stuff like civil engineering. This deals with construction of buildings and stuff related to that. This person can become a mechanical engineer. You've seen people who repair our cars, people who repair our vehicles. Possibly at some point those people could be possessing some knowledge of physics. You've seen electrical engineers, and you've seen people who install electricity into our houses, people who deal with installation of power in buildings, skyscrapers. Those people studied some good physics. In the technological aspect, these people can go into telecom engineering. Those people specifically who have done software development, artificial intelligence, and data science can do things involving information technology. We have seen in the medical field, physics can also be applied. You've seen radiographers, medical physicists, X-ray specialists. Even in the aspect of the earth sciences, you've seen geologists, people studying land. You've seen meteorologists, people studying weather. You've seen environmental science. In the finance field, you've seen data analysts, you've seen quantitative analysts, and then even in some space and advanced fields, you've seen astronomists, people studying space. You've seen the NASA stuff and findings. Those people could have studied physics, or they possess the knowledge of physics. At some point, you've seen petroleum engineers, people who deal with the extraction of oil from the ground. Those people could have done or possess some physics knowledge. So as a senior one student, you should know that you're likely to become any of these if at all you focus, dedicate yourself to physics. It's one of the most interesting subjects you're going to come across in your secondary curriculum, and I actually encourage you not to give up, but rather continue with the subject. I made another video on the career opportunities in physics. Check out that video in the playlist for senior one. Thank you very much.